Hi, this is Carl Leobson at the University of Arizona, and this is SERP 590 Single Case Research Design. And in a previous video, I showed you how to make an simple A-B single case research graph in Excel. It was a simple graph, but it's a long procedure, right? It was like a 30-minute video. Well, I'm going to show you how you can save and reuse that graph that we created. So we're starting with that graph we created here in that file. Next thing I want you to do, once you have it, is to go to the chart area and then right-click your mouse on it. You'll see something that says Save as Template. Say Save as Template, and you can see I've already saved my own versions a couple times, but I'm going to call this AB Chart. I'm just going to rename that one. Yes, I want to replace it. So now I have created my own style of graph in Excel that is this type that we've created. It has all of the elements. Let me show you how that works. So let us come over to the next worksheet. And if you remember how we started last time we started with having to create a line with markers graph. We're going to do that a little differently this time, okay? Because we have our own. So we don't really do a line with markers graph. Instead, we're just going to highlight the data. That's what we did last time. We're just the target behavior data, replacement behavior data, and the treatment integrity. Not the titles, not session, not the session numbers, just the data. Okay. Then you can go to Insert, go to Recommended Charts, and if you then choose All Charts, and Templates is what you want, and you will see the template is there for an A-B chart. I'm going to click on that and say OK, and it is going to create, I'm going to resize it here, create a chart that's just about completely done. There are a couple things we need to do, okay, to fix it up. One is we've got to move this arrow for replacement behavior because it's messed up. You can't really see it very well. So let's move this arrow for replacement behavior over. We'll be able to see the word replacement behavior better. We'll grab that word replacement behavior and stick it there with the arrow. Another thing we've got to do is figure out where a line break ought to be here. So actually they entered intervention after the third data point. So from 3 to 4 they entered into the data, into the intervention. So we need to put these lines back and get rid of these lines. So remember, if you click once here and then a second time, well, we need to get this open. We need to get our formatting window open. You have that single data point highlighted, and we want to click on this paint bucket, and we want to have a solid line. And it's going to give us a funky color, but we're going to change that over to black. Okay. Let's do the same thing down here for the target behavior data. Click once, Click twice so there's just that marker. And let's get that line back. It gave us a line that looks like it's the right color and width. Now we need to get rid of the line between the third and fourth markers. So we click on the fourth, it looks like it's highlighted it by itself, and we say no line. We come to the other data set and data series, click once, click twice to make it an individual marker highlight at the fourth marker. Say no line. Then we're going to drag this over. Looks like we need to move also our target behavior marker. Here's target behavior. Point here. We're going to take this one, put it down here. Then we need to add a chart title, and that is, this is Brent. Yeah. And we need to add the axis titles, and these are percent intervals. Percent intervals. Percent intervals. And there you can see we've just taken what we've already done with our first A/B chart. We saved it as a template. We highlighted our new data. We opened it with that A/B chart template, did a couple simple things, and we're already done. All right. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do that with an A/B design.